I just caught the internet studying me, and I have proof that it's been doing it for a very long time, at least 20 years. And stay to the end, because I'm going to tell you one of the most terrifying things I just found out that AI can do, and the one word that will help prevent it from happening to you. So today I was in my software because I am working now in an area called co-work and Cloud AI. And so we're updating some of my social media channels for maximum monetization and maximum views. One thing that I'm noticing in a lot of my social media platforms is that real estate keeps on popping up, even though I've been working over going on 2 years AI, but real estate keeps on popping up. So we're going into my new YouTube channel because this YouTube channel had never seen anything about real estate except for one post. And that one post actually did better than every other post. And I'm like, why? I literally set up this whole channel to be AI. There is nothing here to suggest that I do real estate, but one video that I posted that had to say congratulations to one of my clients. So what is doing this? So I go to Studio. In Studio, we go to Settings. And in Settings, we go to our channel, and there's keywords that we can put in there that identify who we are. So I have AI Creator, AI Music, AI Educator, Elodia, Reyna, Rojas together, Elodia, Reyna, Rojas apart, AI Tutorials and all that. I'm thinking, God, everything here is AI. But my name. My name associates me with real estate because I've been doing it for over 25 years. AI has been studying everything about me, and the web relates me to a real estate agent, a real estate broker. So when I put inside keywords to find me when it comes to AI, and I put my own name in there, it is associating me with real estate. So that is how I caught the internet studying me. That is one important thing that I want to share with you. The second one is this. Every day I get on the internet and I see a doomsday video. Oh, AI is learning AI, and within 30 days, it's gonna kill all humanity. And then I see the people that won't even try it at all, and I see all the negative comments at the bottom. AI didn't arrive yesterday. AI didn't just get here in 2022. AI has been here for decades. It has been analyzing everything you do online. Your name is not just a name online. It is a file the machine has been building since you first logged onto the internet. So I'm going to say this very clearly because I want people to get this in their head. I understand your fear. Your fear is valid. This tool is powerful, and power without understanding has always scared us. But the answer to a powerful tool has never been hiding from it. It is learning to direct it. The people making 30 days till dead doom videos and the people refusing to touch AI are making the same mistake. They both gave away their seat in the director's chair, and I kept mine, and the people using it kept theirs. And this is why I always say, technology serves the people commanding it, and I command it. Terrifying thing that I want to tell you guys about, because these videos are not meant for people that are already in this world or people who know a lot about technology. This is just for you who's learning, and I don't want this to happen to you. If you're using an AI assistant, listen closely. Do not give it automatic access to your files or your emails. Someone could possibly send you an email with instruction hidden inside that email, written to your AI, not to you. Your AI assistant reads that email and could be tricked into following the instructions of that email, handing over your information without you knowing. What is your protection word? Ask. Your AI must ask you before it does anything for you. It must ask you permission. So make sure you have on your settings that it must ask before it does that task. So never give AI automatic access to anything.